Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Local Creative Digital Marketing Agency. Trust you're doing good. If yes, then glory be to God Almighty. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to do a professional logo, Neto Level Up logo. So without wasting much of our time, let's start. So what the material you are using, it will be how through shape text. So let's click on shape. You change the shape to this. Bring it a little bit. Good. Then you place it to the middle. You use your relative position to place it at the middle. So the next is to duplicate this one. Then make it small again. Then place it at the middle also. Yeah. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to change this color, the small one color, change it to any color of your choice. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on the layer, then you mesh them together. So after you mesh them together, go to your erase color. Good. Then erase it. Then you click on this brush. This is not what I want. So you click on this brush, click on it, then click on the red, then you click on your mark here. Good. So this is what I want actually. Then you click on your this. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on that shape. Click on your plus button again. Click on that shape. So I'm bringing up this one, yeah. So next thing is to rotate it. Make it smaller. Rotate it. Let it be straight up. Good. Make it smaller. I want it to be aligned with this. Good. So next thing is to position it very well so that it will be aligned with this. You still have key leg. Still have a small key leg. So let's still position it up a little bit. Still having some issue. Good. So you are done. So the next thing right now, okay. So this let me look at that. So it's a little slim beside this fat one. So the next thing is to change the color, the both color. So I'm going to change this color to blue. Good. Then change this one to green color. So the next thing we have to do right now is to mesh these two together. Mesh them together. Then you change the background color to white color so that the beauty of the work can come out. Can you see it? So then actually bring them low. Then bring them to your middle. Good. So the next thing now is to write the text. Neto Level Up. 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 Change the capital letter. So the next thing is to change our font to something bold. In logo they use something bold. So here you multi-strap black for it. So you have to drag it there. Increase it a little bit. Then tap it up a little. Then place it at the middle. So let's place it at the middle. Good. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to change the color. So this is where work is right now. So I'm dealing on this place first. So the next thing is to move this Neto. Now you're giving it two color also. Change this Neto to green color. The green. Go to your up again. Change the up to green also. Then go to your level. Then change the level to blue color. Can you see it now? It's making sense. So we are done with that. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to save it. You change this to transparent. Then go to your save. Then save as image. and you can also save as a project. So you save it is a PNG already, so you choose your very eye, then you save it. Good. So the next thing you're going now is to go to your photobit.com to mark it up. So let's go to photobit.com to mark it up. So welcome guys to photobit.com. Sorry, photobit.com. Good. Welcome to the photobit.com. So without wasting much of our time, the next is to click on your file on the right hand side. You click on open, then you click on your file. So the file is in my drive, is in my Google Drive. So let me go to my Google Drive and let's check the file if the file is there. So let's bring out our PSD file house, and this is the PSD file 3D glass. So we have to wait for it to load a little bit first, then we can go ahead with the mockup. So let's wait for it to load. Good. So this is it. So the next thing now is to let me look for my own layer. Good. So the next thing is to click on this layer here. You click on it. So you have to wait for it to load. So the right will come. Okay, good. So you see where they write your logo here, you double click the eye. So this is the eye, you have to double tap it. So let's double tap it. Good. Then you click on this eye, review logo. Good. So the next thing is to do now is to click on the file, then you click on open and place. So you have to go for the one that you just saved right now, and this is the PNG file that we saved. So we have to wait for it to load. So this is, so you have to drag it, move it up. So let's drag that it to be good. Side that it will be big. Good, it's at the middle already. Good. So the next thing is to click your file again, then you click on save smart object. So let's wait for it to be saved. So it's to be the one to write smart object updated. So when it show that means your logo has been updated to PSD file as the markup. So we have to wait for it to do that. Good. Smart object updated. So the next thing to do now is to click on this the glass window. So let's click on it. Can you see it? So the next thing now is to go to your file, then you export as PNG, then click on your save. So the PNG file is ready. So that's how to do it. I wish you best of luck. Don't forget to like, or don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share so as to be getting more update from me. Thank you.